What's up, guys? Today we're going to do slime. Can't make it, so I'm campaigning, so I just gotta do it like before my trip. So my trip was very fun, and as you can see, my enchantment here yet. Oh, my name. Welcome back, guys. It's Roz. So we are going to have some fun if we can without them. They came back from the trip on Saturday. Not this Saturday. It was the Saturday before. So, just do it. Okay, let's go. I got this vaccine. It was like open because I did it. As you can see, it looks very sticky, but it's not. So it just needs more activator. I'm gonna take it out of the container to help. So guys, if this goes black, is that okay? Cause like so guys, my slime stuck. My phone, it's everywhere on my phone, guys. See, this much slime is on my phone right here. So, okay, sorry. Okay. Let's go. I'm the only one who can do this, like make this sound like that, because I have the hot pocket, and my phone's very small, so it's good, like how to stay. You see, sometimes it's really bad, but that's okay, because it's always positive. I check it once, then I check it twice. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. I don't trust nobody and nobody trusts me. I'm gonna figure out something real quick. Okay, so as long as the slime shows, apparently, so. Okay, guys, I'm turning. I love that you guys are so nice and that you guys like my channel. I'm going to post a roller coaster for Disney World, so, and I hope you guys actually like it because it's amazing. Why is my face so close? Okay, so I'm gonna face it the other way. So I'm gonna put this right here. Hold on. Guys, it's super close. I don't know why, but it's just super close. I hate this phone. It's so cool. I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna hold it like that. I'm so mad right now because my phone's ugly and I see how like I don't do that. I'm like crumbing the phone. I can't really stretch it out, so that's why I'm not doing that, but I'll try. I can't, my hand's stuck to it. What you made me do, what you just made me do. It my crush a spell, so that's kind of the worst. And why are you guys so close to me here? I don't know. There you go, because I zoomed out. So, okay, yeah, start with it. Let's do it. Guys, it's super soft. I love it. I didn't add any. I didn't add anything like lotion or anything. I just added slimes that we just make with cookies. Well, yeah, I added some more slimes that I have, and it is super duper soft. So, well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for me and mine. Chaz might have his own channel soon, but so when I have my own channel, I'm gonna boo you. I'm gonna boo him. On Overview since he did it. I'm gonna boo that boy. Boo. Okay. Come watch my musical, not musical, come watch my Beastars. It's kind of like musical, but I can't have musical, so come watch my Beastars. If you have the app, if you like the app, you can get it now. Click the link below to get Beastar, and hopefully you guys liked it to download Beastar. So thanks for watching. Peace out.